Starting from the fields, where farmers work hard day and night to cultivate and care for their crops in the hope of a bountiful harvest. But then, a great threat appears: herds of wild pigs that are constantly destroying. They invade the fields, trample crops, dig for food, and turn human efforts into ruins overnight. These wild pigs not only cause economic damage but also create the risk of spreading diseases, disrupting the ecological balance, and threatening the lives of gentle farmers. Unable to stand idly by, people are forced to organize hunts. Professional hunters join forces with local farmers, using traps, shotguns, and even trained hunting dogs to chase and control the wild pigs. This is not only a battle to protect crops, but also an activity to help control the number of wild pigs, ensuring the balance of the natural ecosystem. But the story does not end there. Instead of simply hunting and culling, a new direction has been opened. Domesticating and raising these wild pigs into a potential economic resource. After being captured, wild pigs will be selected, domesticated and brought to farms to be raised for meat, helping to turn a serious problem into a profitable business. From the first few individuals, the scale of the farms has expanded. Initially, the pioneers in raising wild pigs faced many challenges. From domesticating their wild nature to finding suitable confinement methods to ensure growth, performance and meat quality. But with the development of technology and nutritional science, modern livestock farming has made great strides. Not only stopping at pigs, large-scale farming models have also expanded to other livestock such as chickens, cows, and horses. Hundreds of hectares of farms are built, applying the most advanced technologies in caring for, preventing diseases, and managing livestock. Here, each animal's health is monitored by an automatic machine system, from providing food and water to controlling temperature and humidity in the barn. Appears like a completely different world compared to traditional farming methods. Large, clean barns are equipped with automatic ventilation systems, surveillance cameras, and environmental control devices to ensure optimal living conditions for livestock. No more free-range grazing or dirty, damp barns. Instead, there is a closed, safe, and effective farming process. With the development of science and technology, these farms not only help increase productivity but also minimize the impact on the environment. Wastewater and waste from livestock are treated by a biological filtration system, turning them into organic fertilizer for the agricultural sector. Many farms also apply a closed-loop model, where waste from livestock is used to produce bioelectricity, providing energy for the farm itself. Not only pigs, beef and dairy cows are also raised to high standards, ensuring the supply of quality meat and milk to the market. Each cow is equipped with a chip to monitor its health, diet and growth. Horses are also given special care, not only for meat consumption but also for sports and tourism activities. In addition to the farm, an indispensable part is the modern processing plants, where hundreds of thousands of pigs, chickens and cows, after meeting the standards, will be put into the industrial slaughter and processing line. These plants are operated by a highly automated system, from receiving, slaughtering, meat filtering, packaging to preservation. All strictly adhere to food hygiene and safety standards. ensuring that the output products are not only of good quality but also safe for consumers. Processing plants today not only focus on producing fresh meat, but also expand to many value-added products such as sausages. Bacon, canned meat, and processed foods. This helps maximize the value of each animal, minimize waste, and meet the diverse needs of domestic and foreign markets. The development of farms and processing plants not only helps create abundant food sources but also contributes to the development of the local economy. Thousands of workers have stable jobs, from farm workers to food technology engineers in processing plants. The livestock and food processing industry is constantly expanding, creating new business opportunities, attracting investment and contributing to the overall growth of the economy. However, to achieve these successes, the livestock industry also faces many challenges. Ensuring disease safety for livestock, controlling environmental pollution and meeting quality standards is increasingly difficult. The increasingly stringent international market is an issue that always needs attention. Many farms have invested heavily in research and development, applying biotechnology to improve breeds. Enhance livestock resistance and optimize the farming process. From hunting wild pigs to protect crops, to building large-scale farms and developing modern processing industries, we have witnessed a strong transformation of the livestock industry. This not only helps improve people's lives, but also opens up new prospects for a sustainable agricultural economy. The continuous development of technology and science has helped people optimize resources, turning challenges into opportunities, and the story of the wild pigs of the past has now become an important part of the global economic picture, where each link in the production chain plays an important role in creating value and ensuring food supply for the whole world. Not only does it stop at domestic production and processing, the modern livestock industry has also expanded its scale to the international market. Pork, beef, and chicken products are exported to many countries, bringing in significant foreign currency revenue. Modern farms and processing plants must strictly comply with food safety standards of the European, American, Japanese, and many other countries, creating fierce competition but also great potential for businesses in the industry. During the development process, an important trend has emerged: organic and sustainable livestock farming. Consumers are increasingly concerned about health and the environment, leading to an increasing demand for clean, antibiotic-free, non-GMO food. Many farms have switched to an organic livestock model, where livestock are raised in a more natural environment, fed organic food, and not exposed to toxic chemicals. Green farm models have also emerged, applying energy-saving technology, recycling waste, utilizing solar energy and biogas to operate the production system. This not only helps to minimize negative impacts on the environment but also creates high-value products, meeting the needs of the high-end market. However, the livestock industry is not without major challenges. Climate change is affecting the source of animal feed. Raw material prices are increasing, and the risk of disease is always lurking. Large-scale farms must invest heavily in monitoring and disease prevention technology. Use AI systems to monitor the health of livestock, and apply strict disease control measures to ensure biosecurity. Advances in science and technology also open up new directions in the livestock industry. Technologies such as lab-grown meat, using plant proteins to replace animal meat, and applying artificial intelligence in livestock management are becoming the trends of the future. Although there are still many challenges, these innovations promise to create a sustainable food industry that meets the growing needs of the global population without depleting natural resources. From a traditional profession, livestock farming has become a high-tech field, where every step from breeding, processing to distribution is optimized to create the highest value. Images of wild boar hunting to protect crops have now given way to modern farms where hundreds of thousands of animals are raised to the highest standards. And advanced processing plants produce high-quality food products, serving consumers around the world. And that is the magic of humans, always knowing how to adapt, innovate, and turn challenges into opportunities for development and prosperity. In the following years, advanced technologies have been applied more widely in the process of managing and raising livestock. Not only stopping at monitoring the health of each animal, but farms also integrate advanced data analysis systems, helping to forecast the development trends of livestock, optimize diets and adjust the living environment accordingly. Each animal is attached with a small sensor, sending data to the control center so that managers can immediately grasp any unusual changes. These improvements not only help minimize the risk of disease, but also ensure stable growth performance and the highest quality meat. At the same time, nutritionists and biotechnology experts are constantly researching and testing to improve livestock breeds. Through this, they hope to create product lines that are not only highly productive but also resistant to increasingly severe climate changes. Genetic research helps to analyze more deeply the characteristics of each animal species, thereby proposing new feeding methods suitable for each breed. The application of CRISPR technology in gene editing is also gradually being applied, opening up new prospects for the modern livestock industry, when the ability to improve and enhance the quality of each animal is put first. Not only that, the food processing industry is also entering a period of breakthrough innovation. Fully automated production lines are equipped with sensors and quality control systems right from the input through processing to the packaging process. Modern processing plants use robots and artificial intelligence to ensure that each stage of production meets food safety standards, while minimizing risks due to human factors. This technology not only helps to increase productivity, but also shortens the time from harvest to when the product reaches consumers, contributing to minimizing waste and optimizing the supply chain. These advances have opened a new era for the agricultural and livestock economy, where businesses are not only focused on mass production but also on quality and sustainability. Many farms have transformed into agricultural tourism models, where visitors have the opportunity to experience modern livestock farming, learn about advanced technologies, and enjoy dishes made from clean and safe ingredients. Thereby, the agricultural industry not only meets nutritional needs but also becomes a form of entertainment, education and unique cultural experiences for the community. Along with changes in technology, the way farms are managed and operated has also undergone major breakthroughs. Traditional farmers, who are used to manual methods and experiences passed down through generations, have had to learn and adapt to new technologies. They have begun to participate in intensive training courses on automated farm management, how to use monitoring software and data analysis. These changes not only help improve skills but also create a knowledge exchange between tradition and modernity, opening up opportunities for cooperation between generations and related industries. In this context, the role of the government and research organizations has also become extremely important. Support policies, tax incentives, as well as training and technology transfer programs have been implemented to facilitate the application of advanced technological solutions in livestock farming and food processing. Cooperation projects between universities, research institutes and enterprises have created important breakthroughs, helping the agricultural sector not only develop sustainably, but also create products with competitive value in the international market. Not stopping there, people's consumption trends also contribute to shaping this change. Consumers are becoming increasingly sophisticated and have higher demands on food quality. They are not only interested in taste, but also pay special attention to origin, production process, and food safety certifications. Therefore, businesses in the food processing industry have had to make constant efforts to ensure that each product is strictly controlled in terms of quality. From the selection of raw materials to the final packaging process, transparency of information and product quality certification have become mandatory standards, helping consumers feel more secure when choosing products for their families. In addition, the development of e-commerce has opened up new consumption channels for livestock and processing products. Online shopping websites and applications allow consumers to access products quickly and conveniently. The home delivery system, along with professional customer care services, has increased the competitiveness of the industry, when products are not only evaluated by quality, but also by the shopping experience of consumers. Businesses have known how to take advantage of technology to connect directly with customers, collect feedback and improve products according to market demand. In contrast to the benefits that technology brings, the modern livestock industry also faces many challenges. Issues of climate change and environmental pollution due to waste from farms and processing plants are always a concern. Many farms have invested in advanced waste treatment systems to turn them into organic fertilizers or bioenergy sources. Wastewater treatment technology, emission reduction and waste recycling not only help protect the environment but also reduce production costs in the long term. However, the application of these technologies requires large capital and commitment from businesses, as well as support from local authorities and non-governmental organizations. In a globalized context, competition comes not only from within the country but also from international markets. Strict food safety standards, product quality and environmental regulations place high demands on businesses. Therefore, continuous improvement and innovation of technology, improving product quality becomes a vital factor to maintain its position in the market. Businesses are constantly researching, testing and deploying new technological solutions, from production, processing to distribution, to create differences and best meet the needs of modern consumers. Along with the development of technology, the connection between industries is also becoming closer. Agriculture, livestock, food processing and information technology have formed a synchronous ecosystem, where each component contributes to the overall success. Advances in information technology allow businesses to monitor, control and analyze data on a global scale, thereby making accurate and timely business strategies. The intersection between tradition and modernity, between technology and experience has created great leaps forward, helping the agricultural sector not only survive, but also thrive in the new era. In general, from the process of hunting wild pigs that harm crops to the application of high technology in management and processing, we have witnessed an amazing transformation of the livestock industry. The initial difficulties and challenges have gradually been overcome thanks to the creativity and constant efforts of people. Today, modern farms are not only places for food production but also symbols of progress, integration and sustainable development in the context of globalization. People have known how to take advantage of all available resources, turn obstacles into opportunities, and open up new prospects for the agricultural sector, a profession closely linked to the life and development of the whole society. After decades of efforts, the livestock industry has proven that the combination of modern technology and traditional experience not only helps optimize the production process but also creates a safe, sustainable and environmentally friendly production system. Each step forward in technology contributes to building consumer confidence, as food quality is increasingly improved and safety standards are strictly ensured. Thanks to that, the market is not only provided with fresh, nutritious products but also becomes diverse, rich and highly competitive in the international market. Moreover, the transformation of the livestock industry also brings great social values. Modern farms not only create thousands of jobs for local workers, but also contribute to training and fostering high-quality human resources for related industries. Farmers, engineers, technologists and researchers working in the industry have been and will continue to contribute to the overall development of the economy. They not only convey traditional values but are also pioneers, opening up new directions, bringing the agricultural sector into an era of continuous innovation and creativity. In the context of global economic integration, cooperation and experience exchange between countries are becoming increasingly necessary. International conferences and forums on food safety and sustainable livestock farming have attracted the participation of leading experts from all over the world. Through this, knowledge, experience and advanced technology are shared and spread, contributing to improving product quality and production standards of participating countries. These close links not only help solve common problems but also open up opportunities for investment cooperation, promote economic development and enhance the position of the agricultural sector in the international arena. With a vision and determination to continuously improve, businesses in the industry have begun to invest heavily in research and development, testing new technological solutions such as lab-grown meat, developing functional foods to enhance livestock's resistance, and applying artificial intelligence in forecasting market consumption trends. These initiatives not only help optimize the production process but also open up new business opportunities, create added value for products and meet the increasing needs of modern consumers. In the journey from initial challenges to the brilliant success of the modern livestock industry, each step contains a lot of effort, innovation and passion. Difficulties, from the scene of crop destruction caused by wild pigs, have been replaced by the image of modern farms, where technology and people work closely together to build a safe, efficient and sustainable production system. This is not only a story about the change of an industry, but also a testament to the spirit of perseverance, creativity and the desire to overcome all human limits.